asase wa Ghana. Nigeria ni asase wa Ghana. Omunko mukro Nigeria ni asase wa Ghana. Omunko. Mobi wa ni bia wase. Omunyo asase wa Ghana. Onya ha opera. Omaji opera so si adan. Ghana ko ni Nigeria ko ni asase wa ha.
HIV is spiraling. HIV. Ghana AIDS Commission. Monyashi Emfao. Enumlewe. Uko East Legona. Uba Usa Nigeria manning in our Ghana AIDS Commission. Uko Osu Oxford Street. Nigeria for manager Honina.
Guys, welcome back to another episode of Ghana Youth Demonstration Against Igbo King and Nigerians. According to them, they want Nigerians out of their country, and I'm in 100% support of what they are doing. Why? Because Nigerians are all over Ghana going against the law. They are full of crimes, you and I know. It's not only Ghana, but other countries also are sending Nigerians packing. So guys, in this very video, Ghanaian youth are pressing on the issue of Ashawo. They went further talking about a high rate of HIV. Yes, I believe the high rate of Ashawo is bringing HIV into the country. Yeah. Guys, let's get right into the video in order for us to have a better understanding. And please, at the end of it, I'd love you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's get right into it, and I will be right back.
Daddy, still now you feel say you almost by an hour. Then I'll be catching a chauffeur. I'm gonna do a chief from an pay. Do by this time. Young queen, young queen, and I'm a count. Then I'll be actually Ghanaian youth almost to me about one thing. I bet support it, and almost sure. You also since I'm a pay who preaching my
woman. You want to say, who say you can't demonstration, and you need to do okay. Who come viral, support to me too great. Which is people are in support of what we are doing. What you say? Okay. Because many platforms, you know, Obi, remember, I can say any panel knows. That's not what I'm looking at. But what they got TikTok, the other, you know, how to say support, you know, great. It doesn't mean you are here physically present in one say. You give support. Okay. What you say? Okay. Apparently they are in bed with the man. They do business with him. The same thing applies to MPP. What you say? Okay. Politics is free. But yeah, you say. Abayan no so no na wote akunya no so yeto abama o se be boy ho ban. They say Nigeria for okuman. Crimes are more committing so much. Menu nyina ye nim. It means say no say what. Say me pipe born say Nigeria for criminals no e bi nkwachi o mpanifo ne mabako e be ma onwani o akọ ne because enka o ma what ti na me kana say enka o manti no anase wo mo ankasa nti no e bia wo bodyguards wo fie o soldier folk wo fie wo ba be pie what you say wo ba be pie obi be kita mpo no e ho na wo be hu say hey say hiafo no complaints a wo ye no yampa wow MPP and disobia edin
oh me hu ni say Ghana me guru no ma ya de oba de adaroma na ma daroma bread dey sha se no pa no so ekobo awia donko asie nyina ye de odo egusu ye se bibia be koso boko eti energy nu wom eye oma abomode eti ada masepa ya koso asre oma fo so obia sole fan hunjim asore na abekwa kura na fato asore fo na ni se ya koso o Ghana hani o sofo na dia tuna nim no ma na so ta sonde na obia nya we se enkrofo bi o Ghana ha ye from Nigeria fo enkrofo bi o Ghana ha ye from Igbo fo enkrofo bi o ha o so me yo na obia nya we se say ye baba wiase no ya me ani amre ansore a Ghana be du ba bi ni ye de ensa be si fom eti mo pa sorry a obia ni le sofo nkasa omunya announcement asonde ni se Nigeria for Ghana ha ayeye kwaso ewuwo emojahwiego ni so adoso emojahwiego nu adoso di fin e ko man be sibra bo ni Ghana ha scamming fraud ni nyina ya de ekoso Ghana ha ese oman ni din oman na sum bia ya wono ya me ya ni ana ho ni ahwe ya ala tafo no ebe se no te se Ghana passport ekuta omo on betu kwan akoba bia hwe me nua ba ko ala tamam oso ko Ghana embassy so ko di Ghana passport okoye ya manu be Nigeria fo no eba Ghana embassy ho ebe di passport Ghana passport no mo de tu kwan because mo krom ho no so mo pe o ma foforo so visa ye ma mo so mo kuta Ghana passport ye de mo ti mesre Ghana immigration Ghana BNI for all the security agencies of Ghana omo sorry e ma o man no na so man ye yi a ye ma ye nyina eti adamase
Ghana Ace Commission mo nya hwe emfa ho enumrewe uko East Legon oba unse Nigeria man nyina duwa omo bo ahia Ghana Ace Commission uko Osu Oxford Street Nigeria for manage ho nyina mo de bo ahia Ghana Ace Commission uko Madina Nigeria for manage nyina Ghana Ace Commission uko school junction Obimim junction Nigeria for man aji honina edia location hotspot for Ashao Ghana Ace Commission president Ghana Ace Commission president
Nigeria do was at Ghana. Nigeria do was at Ghana. Nigeria do at Ghana. Woman has at Ghana. Onya opera. Oma di opera to si adan. Ghana for me Nigeria for ni atatuwa ha.
What I say, they are still going.
No what you know. No what you know.
Aluta continue. They are still moving. Right now, they are creating awareness. What I said, they are creating awareness. Na maybe o mko ko du na o mbejina na o makasa ye queen na ye kuso a na ye bonkomo na ye ji atwetire
o meko so atena ya ko plaster house sia bahama ama na soja fo apam ye say ye fro na ye ntra se na Nigeria fo ku ye na se Nigeria fo ku ye ni anyina ya wia mahama e Canada Japan ba o mi e why and the next election about to Abamamu. Unyai and then Braco and about to Abamamu. And the baby, I don't know. Ghana for you say enough is enough. Nigeria for as a second biaso will go on group. Yabre. But the following now, Pian Passa, I did not dream about Ghana for. Periphone or beer because I'm more bodyguards. I'm more soldier for I have a whole by minimum any bodyguards. Next time will be the whole night to midnight.
You know, can say it. Omo buaswa, omo creating awareness. Awareness, obviously, who creates awareness, and awareness, I won't create from an apartment, energy to say, and I won't sense.